Good evening, everyone. How are you all?
Alhamdulillah, Miss. Fine. How are you?
Where is everybody?
Assalamu alaikum, Miss. How are you?
Walaikum assalam. I am good, thank you. Where is everyone? Why are you all of you at the back?
Hello, sorry, Miss. I didn't realize that I was muted.
Okay, all right. So get back to the class. Everyone wake up. It's time to class, right? I want to see all of you on the screen, not only myself. Listen, you'll be reading the text and telling the answer, okay? Otherwise, none of you will get it.
Yesterday, while I was going to Kumilla by a bus, I saw an
By a
elderly
bus.
lady.
Will there be any articles? Everyone, put your hands down. I want answer yes or no. Will there be any articles yesterday while I was going to Kumilla?
Yes, I think yes.
Yes.
When you talk about yesterday I went to by bus or by a bus, how do you speak?
By a bus.
By a bus.
By a
or
bus.
by bus. Do you put any article?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Sure.
Yes,
Yes.
Miss.
Wrong.
Yes, Miss.
According to grammar, your sentence is wrong. By a bus, or you say normally by bus, by train.
Miss, I think it's by a bus.
No, it will be by bus. There will be no articles. Cross. You will see it sounds little bit like uncomfortable. Yesterday while I was going to Kumilla by bus, not by a bus. So there won't be any articles. Yes. Tell me the next one, second one.
I saw an elderly lady carrying a huge bag and an umbrella struggling to get onto the bus. She would not let anyone carry her bag. I invited her to take the seat next to mine. She took the seat and thanked me.
What did you say for number E?
The.
Miss the.
Okay, and for number F?
Miss also the.
Also the. Okay, fine, it's correct. But first one will be the cross. There won't be any articles. It will be only by bus. I went there by bus, not up. Okay. We'll be telling the number 2. Safwan, you tell the number 2.
Miss me?
Yes.
Okay. Each and every student wants to make a good result. But
No, that is the number 3, Safwan.
It's number 3.
Number 2. I told you to say the number 2. Number 2 is this one.
Okay. Always speak the truth. Never tell a lie. Nobody believes a liar. Even if he is a truthful he is considered to be a liar. Nobody in the world is as unfortunate as he.
Yes, all are correct except number D. Can you find out where is your mistake? What did you say in number D? Safwan?
Miss, I said even if he is considered a truthful,
Miss, I think it will be cross.
there will be nothing here.
Yes, I think I heard you said A, right?
Yes, miss.
Yes, there will be no articles. Actually, it's a story all about the same person, right? So there will be nothing. He is truthful. He is considered to be what? To be a liar. Okay, all right. Husam, you tell me number 3.
Miss, each and every student wants to make a good result, but it is not an easy task. A student has to do something for his from the beginning. He must be very serious. He should read the text. Oh, what the fuck? He should read the text again and again. He must not make miss, there will be nothing.
Yes.
He must not make notes from a common source.
Very good. Usam,
Yes, miss.
out of how many articles are here? 5, right?
Yes, miss. 5.
No mistakes. Good concept on articles.
Ma'am, 6.
It's 6.
6. Then
Yes.
he got 6 out of 6. Okay, now it is Albina's turn. Number 4.
We live in an age of science. Newspaper is a wonder of modern science. Newspaper is a paper which carries news of the whole world. It is such an important thing that we cannot go a single day without it.
What did you say for number 1? We live in an age of science, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay, yes, all correct. Albina, thank you. Now, Jannatu, number 5.
A few days ago, I enjoyed an interesting football match. Number B is cross. It was played between the top 2 teams, Argentina and Brazil. On the day of the match, I went to the stadium quite early. I stood in the line and bought a ticket.
Germany.
What did you say, number D and number E?
Miss, for number B, it is a cross, and for
Number D.
B.
Number D before E.
Da.
Da. And what about number E?
Ma'am, same da.
Okay, fine. Yes, all are correct. And for number what? Number A is done. 5, 6. We will be talking about number 6. Shreya, are you done?
I'm not miss. Itu purajan.
Sorry. How far did you do?
4.
Up to 4?
4 এর হইতেছে C নাম্বার আছে।
Okay, keep doing. What about others? Anybody else?
মিস একটু উপরে যাওয়া যাবে?
You can see from the Google Classroom. Okay, I'm going. Mumtahan, did you do the work? I think I saw you are doing the work, right?
Yes, miss. I did.
Could you tell me number 6?
Okay, miss.
Yes, number 6.
Number 6.
Hmm.
Mr. Karim is an English teacher. He is
Is an English teacher. Will there be any articles or not?
No, miss. There will not.
No, miss.
Okay, keep saying.
He is an MA in English. He serves in a famous institution. He tries to lead an honest life. He is the most favorite teacher to the student.
Most favorite teacher, what? What did you say the last one?
Miss, no article.
Did you put any articles or not?
No, miss.
Okay, fine. Yes, all are correct. So now you will be doing, wait, how many are left? So keep doing the rest of them. 7 to 10, okay, only the answer. Shreya, you can see the worksheet from the Google Classroom, okay? Have you found it? As you are behind of all of you. Fine, good job. Thank you, everyone. Next class, we'll have, at first we'll be talking about the punctuation marks, and then I'll also give you the worksheet, okay? We'll go through the handout, then you'll be practicing.
Okay, miss.
As our time has run out, so that's all for today, and thank you all for joining the class. Bye bye.
Assalamualaikum, miss. Good night,
Assalamualaikum,
miss.
miss.
And Safwan, you just finished the whole class without talking. That's fine. I think he's in deep sleep. Safwan Ahmed.
Oh, okay.
Okay, all right.
Okay, assalamualaikum.